Hello friends. Recently we heard a news in which it was highlighted that Tesla had ordered from Noida based startup, that is Oxyneuron India Private Limited. It has ordered some inverters. Now let's discuss this news in brief. Now first of all, Tesla India has placed a bulk order for portable inverters with Noida based startup that can also be used as an electric vehicle, that is EV charging stations are possibly making first of such deals in the country before the rollout of its much anticipated cars in India. Now these inverters have been ordered from Oxyneuron India Private Limited. It is incubated at Startup Innovation and Incubation Center SIIC situated at IIT Kanpur. Basically, you can say it's the extension of IIT Kanpur only. And yesterday, that is on 16th of November, it has bagged its first order of a Magic Box Smart Inverter from Tesla India. Now let's discuss on Magic Box Inverter. The Magic Box inverter, as per the company Oxyneuron India Private Limited, it starts at price starts at 25,000, and generally it comes in three models, which is 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, and 3 kilowatt units. And it generally claims to give the double battery backup. We'll come later on the inverter, which type of inverter is, what it can do, and which kind of battery it is going to be using. Now, as per the ER Ashutosh Verma, that is founder of the Oxyneuron, he says that government support to startup is a boost for startups like theirs to develop more and more innovative products. And they have received their first order of Magic Box inverter from Tesla India, and it has been confirmed by him. This inverter was designed basically to solve the issue of electricity backup in rural India, where generally there is no electricity is there, or connectivity is not there, electric connectivity is not there, transmission lines are not there. So for remote villages they can be installed using the solar. Now the inverter, this inverter is also called IoT device, that is Internet of Thing, which is a current in technology, and it can be managed from a mobile app. That means all the parameters, all the design, all the power consumptions, everything can be monitored from the mobile app, which can be installed there. That means this inverter will be having definitely Wi-Fi connectivity, and as well as internet connectivity, using most likely a SIM card. Now this inverter claims to 15 years battery life, and they have given 5 years replaceable guarantee, which is quite a huge in today's market. Generally no product comes more than 3 years of warranty. Now the Vikas Prakash from IIT Kanpur SIIC, now he says that they are thrilled to be part of such an innovation which is on the way to revamp and begin a new phase in rural India. Now Oxyneuron India Private Limited has also successfully innovated a solar, oxygen, hydrogen and nitrogen based original medicinal and agricultural products in collaboration with Exalta India. Now continuing further, now Tesla's arrival in India is a boost to the local manufacturers, as it may depend on them for sourcing of local parts amid chip shortage and supply constraints. But however, the company is yet to start its business in India, and last month the Union Minister of Road Highway Nitin Gadkari has also said that he has asked Elon Musk run Tesla to come and manufacture electric cars in India, and the government will extend all the support needed for manufacturing facility. Whereas government further clarified it is not going to reduce the import duties, which Tesla earlier wanted the Indian government to reduce for importing the cars to India. However, they are ready to give concessions if they start manufacturing the cars in India. Now further, Mr. Gadkari also spoke during India Today's conclave 2021, He said that Tesla, uh, he told Tesla that don't sell electric cars manufactured in China or any other country in India. They have to start manufacturing cars in India, which is a very good offer, and it is likely to boost the job market and that spare part markets in India, and definitely going to affect and improve the economy of India, and especially create jobs for engineers and mechanics. And as I said earlier, the government is considering for lowering import duties, along with offering other soaps to Tesla. But for the EV major, would have to invest in setting up major manufacturing facility in the country. Then only they will consider it. Now let's talk about Oxy Noran India Private Limited. The company is Uttar Pradesh based company. It was registered this year on 27th May 2021 on Ministry of Corporate Affairs (MCA), and it has got corporate identification number of Oxy Noran India Private Limited, and it has got a registration number also. It is classified as non-government company and is registered under Register of Companies of Uttar Pradesh, India. It has got a thrice share capital of around 1 million rupees, Indian rupees, and its paid up capital is 100,000. It aspires to serve in research and development activities across India. The director of Oxy Noran India Private Limited, as per the register of companies, is Monica Sen and Prasad Shrikant. Now continuing further. Now what are the highlights? This device, that is box inverter, or you can say magic inverter. The highlights of magic inverter. This device was unveiled at IIT Outreach Center, Noida, with the Honorable MSME Minister of States Bhanu Pratap Singh Verma, DIG CISF Prabodh Chandra, and dignitaries from IIT Kanpur. This inverter claims to be 94% more efficient in comparison to the transformer-based inverters that are available in the market. That means this inverter is a solid-state device, solid-state inverter, and the device is IoT compatible. That we have already discussed it, and it can be controlled by using a smartphone. It can be used with solar, as well as can be used with the home electricity connection. The company promised a battery life of 15 years as well as 5 years replaceable guarantee if any defect comes. Regarding the founder of the Oxy Noran ER, Ashutosh Verma, his career spanned over 14 years. He has worked across numerous government and non-government organizations across industries such as hydro, science, and cyber security. As discussed, this Oxy Noran India Private Limited is a startup incubated at Startup Incubation and Innovation Center, IIT Kanpur. And this newest offering Magic Box Smart Lithium wall-mounted portable inverter was designed by them, and its the first customer is none of other than the Indian division of electric car maker Tesla. Now this inverter uses a lithium phosphorus oxynitride battery, which is a LiPo battery, which has got a good life, and it is based on thin film. Now let's talk about inverter. This inverter, while studying the inverter, I found there's no much difference. This technology is already existing. The solid state inverter technology is already existing, and IoT is already existing. They have just combined the technology available in the market, and it's a innovation. They have not found something new. The inverter was already available in the market. They have just integrated the different hardwares, and this inverter is definitely, it is light. It can be wall mounted, and hardly weight is very light, and endurance, that is efficiency of the inverter is 94%. Of course, it is more than more than a transfer based inverter, so the battery is a long laster. Further, the lithium battery is per kilogram watt hour is more, so the battery which is being used will definitely provide it more endurance or more backup. So this inverter will definitely help if you want to charge your EV and make a charging station in case of load shedding at your home. Now, as we can see on the video, and it is clearly you can see the picture, which is not available generally online, but this you can see it online. It is normal inverter, and which is available. It's same type of inverters are already available in the market also. Now, when you use a lithium-ion battery with this type of inverter, definitely your backup is going to go up. However, the cost increases. The inverter will be costing 25,000, and of course, and if you want to buy the battery separately, it will definitely cost more. I think I'm finished. Definitely this LiPo9 battery sometimes I will discuss in the next lecture, and I hope you like my lecture, which this channel I have recently started, and I will like you guys to encourage me for making more such informative videos. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Thank you, friends. That's all till I upload the new video. Thank you.